Meet Henry. He wanted his cleaning business to be successful and profitable, but every day he was losing money and customers. Henry had no inventory control, and his inventory was unpredictable. His cash flow was always tied up, and he was either wildly overstocked or one supply request would get missed, and his customers would run out of toilet paper. Meet Nicole. Nicole used to struggle with the same inventory challenges that Henry has. Then, with the inventory management system, IMS, Nicole can track stock usage from her own warehouse to her supply through the closet level at her customer locations. She easily assigns specific items to specific closets to make sure the right product is always in the right place and prevents the 2 a.m. phone calls from panicked employees saying, "We've got the wrong hand towels, they don't fit the dispenser." Her supervisors and frontline workers can cycle count all stock areas at the locations they clean, place supply requests for needed items, and Nicole or one of her trusted managers can review the requests, make adjustments on predetermined min-max quantities, place orders with the appropriate suppliers, and receive her orders. Nicole has also increased her profits by reselling consumable items to her customers, and she tracks all sales and usage in IMS. Nicole can quickly run IMS reports in Janitorial Manager and review orders in process, critical, and low stock levels, as well as overstocked items. This flexibility allows her to make sure customers never run out of needed products, and she can distribute overstock appropriately too. Reports can also catch discrepancies to make sure no products go missing, and has significantly reduced janitorial hoarding too. With Janitorial Manager IMS, Nicole gained control over her supplies, improved her cash flow, increased customer satisfaction, and continued to grow her sales, profitability, and success. Are you ready to be more like Nicole? Learn more at janitorialmanager.com. Knowledge, control, success. Janitorial Manager.